Okay, today we're featuring a 2015 Toyota Corolla LE. It's got 33,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's a silver metallic in color. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. Start off going down the driver's side here. Everything looks like it's in good shape. No problems there. Just a little bit of fading back here on the back bumper. Okay, not bad though. It's really light, can barely see it. And then a little bit right here too on this back corner. Alright, you see that? Just a little bit of that, not bad. Okay, hardly noticed that. Alright, it is equipped with a rear backup camera. We'll make our way down the passenger side of the vehicle. Everything looks good there. One more thing I wanted to point out to you right here on the front bumper. Just a little bit of scraping right there. Some missing paint, just a little faded right through there. Let's go ahead and check out the inside. Alright, got the two-tone door panel. Metallic trim piece there, really nice. Gray cloth seating. Okay, just a little bit of staining right here in the headrest of the driver's seat. And just a little bit on the butt of the seat right there. Okay, it does come with two key fobs. Passenger seat looks good. Okay, it is an automatic. Got your climate control there. Also got your power outlet with the USB, auxiliary plug, climate control there. AM FM CD with your backup camera, and we'll show you that in a second. It's got Bluetooth, steering wheel audio controls, and your power mirrors. Alright, got everything turned on for you here. There's your climate control area. Okay, we've had the AC running now for about 10 minutes. AC's blowing cold, no problems there. There's your AM FM CD. Go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. It's got 33,342 miles. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the back seat. Let's see, I'll go ahead and slide out here. And pop the trunk. Let's go ahead and see what we got back here. Cloth back here looks good. No problems at all. Go ahead and check out the driver's eye view. Kind of see the layout of the dash. Everything looks good there. Let's check out your trunk storage and space. Carpet's in good shape back here. I'll kind of stand to the side so you can get the depth on just how deep the trunk is. Plenty of space back here. Plenty of storage. It's in good shape. Go ahead and give you another shot of the passenger seat here. Everything looks good. Let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. You've got 16-inch steel wheels, the plastic hubcap. Brand new set of tires. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 Toyota Corolla LE. Alright, it's got 33,000 miles on it. Got a clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.